certain years, I think. You know what it could be too, Kyle, is that tow haul button is on and off. I wonder if that messes with it.
Yeah, and you put it in park and tow haul comes on sometimes.
And then it'll be on when you're driving.
This went out. Did it die?
No, you're good. You're screwing it up.
You can put your finger back on it on the back of the screen and it'll show what it's doing too. No, just push it. Touch it.
Oh, it just saves the battery by not.
Yeah.
Gotcha. I bought a. God, it should be here any day. It's been in shipping for a week, but for the Camaro, the air fuel gauge.
Yeah.
That vent right over there, like this, but on that side. In the Camaro, excuse me, they
3D print.
3D print a vent that has a hole in it for the gauge. So I didn't want to put a pillar gauge on it because they don't fit right and shit. That's pretty good pull for a big old truck.
For a big old truck, yeah.
Not bad at all.
It's funner from a stop when it. Oh, there's a cop. No,
Once it's boosted.
No, it's not. It's a Ford.
Well, you get the boost up at a stop.
No, that's when it spins.
Power brake it.
Yeah. Well, you won't let me weld the rear end up.
Is it a one-wheel PO?
I think it actually two wheels are spinning. Every once in a while it locks up.
In the rain.
That's the turbo. Maybe that is the turbo on the low. It's that same pitch.
There's motion at your front door.
Did
Oh, it's Shauna.
what kind of blow-off valve is this?
eBay special.
No, I think it's actually a nice one, was it? Or no, that's on the white truck.
Yeah, the white one's got that nice one. Damn. That's a burnout, son.
That was pegged at 100 for a long time.
Was it?
Yeah.
I was afraid it was gonna catch and fucking
You're
shoot
supposed
us.
to have the window down with that thing hanging out.
Yeah,
recording
I know.
I don't think it has enough.
They should have.
Oh, this is the fun spot right here at Victory.
Yeah,
This is the
slick spot.
This is where we almost died.
This is where what?
We almost died in the C10 and the white truck.
Jerry, I didn't put the camera up the back.
Oh. Like out.
Just pointing at the tire.
Nice. I hope I had it in the right spot. I couldn't really tell. We're holding on for life.
What did this make with the draggy? Wasn't it like a 14-second run spinning and you let off?
Spinning and let off before the quarter.
It spun through first and then you let way off. So that's a 12-second truck, I bet, with traction.
That's a big difference.
Well, it spun and then you let off quite a ways. It's hard to get the run out here though. There's always traffic.
It's amazing. It's amazing how a tenth is so much in drag racing. You know.
Oh yeah.
It's like. Alright, we're good.
You know what's nice is it's so long, so the burnouts keep it straight.
I I guess, yeah. You going sideways like that. I'm not used to that shit. Since I exited the car out the... These LSs are just freaking amazing. You don't really need anything. Throw a turbo on the beds and a cam and, you know, they move.
It's funny though, because when you're at the lower RPM, and then you hit that turbo, and you're like, oh, fuck, there we go.
Right. Now that's the difference from, you know, supercharger's low end.
Yeah.
That's why people like turbos so much, because of the strong...
It just keeps going.
Yeah. High end, or, you know, RPMs. I might have to turbo that tomorrow. Now I'm riding one, you know. Yeah, I'll just juice it. Blow up that LS6.
I like the noise.
Yeah. It's like you're whistling it. Some fine lady walking down the street, you just hit the gas. You think you're whistling? Hope I got that